So I'm removing the valve cover on this 2005 Mercedes C230 1.8 liter Supercharge. Removing the valve cover to replace a valve cover gasket. But this video is just going to give you a couple details and how to remove the valve cover. That way you could get an idea to see if you want to do it yourself. So what I did was remove these covers on top of the engine. That one came off upwards, no tools needed. This one, you pull it evenly towards the front of the car. And also, I removed the cold air intake hose just to get more room in here. You're probably asking, why is the air filter and air filter cover missing? I took it off thinking I'll get more room in here to work on the car, but really didn't do nothing. You could you don't have to do it if you don't have to. So here's a valve cover. I removed the coils, and I used a regular socket, quarter socket. It works for me. They weren't the proper sockets. It wasn't the proper socket, but it worked for me. And then I unplugged this hose that goes to this, which is that hose right here. And I used this. I didn't tighten it crazy. I just got enough grip to where I was able to move the hose side to side, and then was able to slip it off. Be careful, be gentle, don't break this. It is plastic, and the hose, don't tear it. Don't do more work than what you don't have to. So yeah, here's the plug-ins to the coils. I unplugged those. Then I unplugged this. Goes to this right here. Then I unplugged another hose that goes to this right here, right there. Goes right there. Moves to the side. Moves to the side. Then I unplugged this bad boy right here. That was hooked up to that right there. Then I unplugged this other bad boy that was plugged in to this. Then I unplugged this one and removed the ground that goes to this bolt right here, and this was plugged into here. Then I unplugged this, which is this plug-in right here. Then I removed 3 zip ties. One that goes to this and was zip tied to here. Then I removed the zip tie that was right here and was zip tied to this, or the other way around, I mean. You can see the old marks. And then this cable right here was zip tied on the valve cover as well, right here. So there's a zip tie right here, a zip tie right there, and a zip tie here. The reason why I unplugged everything and cut the old zip ties was to get more play with these cables in order to get the valve cover out. Valve cover and the ground bolt, I use the same ones. They ain't the correct sockets. I mean, I use the same socket. It ain't the correct socket. It's a regular socket. What I used was a 5/16. Worked for me. And the valve cover had 12 bolts. And there you have it, folks. One last thing. When you get the valve cover out, have somebody help you hold this up. This part of the cable gets stuck right here on the valve cover. So if you can have somebody else do it, hold the cables for you. I would recommend it. I tried doing it with myself. I couldn't do it. I had to have somebody help me. Thank you.